Welcome to our channel. This is DHWS Tests YouTube channel. Today's Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro unboxing. Box looking same Note 5 Pro type. Okay, look box backside. Phone specs here. Okay, don't waste your time. Let's open the box. Inside the box front phone here. Okay, put the phone side. Later look. More inside the box. I see adapter here. It's normal adapter but phone support fast charging. More USB cable here. It's not Type-C lol, look mini box inside SIM card pin here. More inside. Some booklets here. How use phone and main specs here. Last free case here. It's black transparent case. Cool. The new Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro is a mid-range smartphone having a bundle of features which can deliver an all-round performance. It comes with a premium-looking design and the screen is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass which keeps it scratch-proof. The processor is strong enough to handle any sort of multitasking and high-end gaming. It also has great battery backup which is very admirable. However, it comes with a hybrid slot which can be a drawback. The beast performance. Display and design. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro comes with an IPS LCD display having a 6.26-inch screen. It has a screen resolution of 1080 by 2280 pixels, along with a pixel density of 403 ppi, which offers a clear and sharp viewing experience. Configuration. The Redmi Note 6 Pro is powered by an octa-core, 1.8 GHz, quad-core, Cryo 260 plus 1.6 GHz, quad-core, Cryo 260, processor with Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 chipset, which can deliver a high performance. It has Adreno 509 GPU that delivers smooth graphics and the 4GB RAM will look after the multitasking of the device. Camera and storage. The Redmi Note 6 Pro has an impressive pair of primary cameras with 12MP plus 5MP sensors which promise awesome photography experience. At the front, there is a setup of 20MP plus 2MP camera that will impress the selfie lovers with a mesmerizing picture quality and also assist for a clear video calling session. Redmi Note 6 Pro has an ample amount of inbuilt storage with a capacity of 64GB that can keep users' files and data. It has an external memory slot which is expandable up to 256GB via microSD card. Battery and connectivity. The phone is blessed with a 4,000 mAh polymer battery that can provide immense backup for long hours with a single charge. It has features like 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 802.11, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth,